Welcome to Techie Tessie. As you see the screen, you can make out that this video is about LinkedIn. I have also written Medium blog post regarding the same, whose link is given below. We all hear the name LinkedIn very often, but do you know why? Also, how is LinkedIn different from other social media platforms? Most importantly, how do you use LinkedIn? Let's see answers to these questions, shall we? What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is an online service platform that was launched on May 5th of 2003, which is used for professional networking and career development that allows job seekers to post their resume and employers to post jobs. If you didn't know already, it's also a subsidiary of Microsoft. Next, what makes LinkedIn different from others? Unlike other social network platforms, LinkedIn is used to connect and bridge the gap between employees and recruiters. Also, LinkedIn primarily promotes and focuses on professional networking. It provides experience tailored to specific needs. It notifies you about the jobs you're looking for. You can also learn new topics through LinkedIn Learning with quiz, and you can make out who viewed your profile. Now let's see the demonstration on how to use LinkedIn. As we can see, this is the home page for LinkedIn provided after sign up or login, which consists of this post option just like any other social media. To view your profile page, you can click on this View Profile button. LinkedIn profile consists of various sections that helps you to manage your profile while giving insights about you. A LinkedIn profile page consists of mainly profile details such as profile name, profile picture, job description, etc. Then LinkedIn consists of analytics such as profile views, post impressions, etc. Then resources such as creator mode, my network, etc. Then featured and activity, then about section, then your experiences, then your education section, then your licenses and certifications, then skills, honors and awards, languages, and finally interests. Now let's see Techie Tessie's LinkedIn profile page. This is how any company's page looks like. It consists of homepage, about, posts, jobs, people, and videos. You can also invite your connections to follow this page. We saw how to create a LinkedIn profile, but we should also know how to use it efficiently to have good network of connections and to create recruiters. Now let's see how to create a compelling and professional LinkedIn profile. You can simply follow the steps of uploading a professional photo first, then add your industry and location, then customize your LinkedIn URL, then write a summary and about yourself, then describe your experiences with your education, then add 5 skills or more, list your education, connect with 50 plus contacts which are nothing but your connections, and at last, most importantly, click on turn on button to let recruiters know that you are open. As you can see, this is the open to button. To make any changes in your profile, you can just click on add profile section. You can add education, position, etc. Or in another method, you can scroll down to the respective section. Then to add any item you can click on plus, or to edit them you can click on this button. I hope that this video helped you to learn about LinkedIn. Follow our YouTube channel Techie Tessie and connect to our LinkedIn page. Stay tuned for more.